So your customers will make a decision based on the problem or the premium. Let me explain. If you haven't identified the problem with the customer, you haven't showed them that if they die or if they get cancer, heaven forbid something happens to them, that there is a problem. They may struggle to pay the mortgage, they may struggle to stay in the same house and pay the bills and all of that. If one income is removed, they may struggle. What you're doing there is you're identifying a problem and you elevate and you press on the problem so that the customer understands it, yeah, and realizes that it's true that they have a problem. And when you elevate that problem and emphasize it, the problem goes right up here on the seesaw, okay? Then the premium becomes less and less relevant. So it tips it right down. The problem is the thing that they're focusing on, not the premium, yeah? And when that happens, they're going to buy because they think, yeah, we've got a problem, we need to solve the problem. But if you haven't identified the problem well enough or pressed on it enough, it tips the other way. Then it's all about the premium and the problem goes down. Then the focus on, right, what does this actually cost? Do I really need it? Is it that important to me? The problem is down because you haven't pressed on it. The premium is up, they're focusing on price. Yeah? So make the problem so big that the premium doesn't matter. Yeah? If you like more tips like this, join the Wealthy Advisor Club. I'll see you there.